Today in this video I will show you how to add Aqara Hub M2 to the Aqara Home app. First thing you need to check is to if your hub is in the pairing mode. The yellow light on the front of the hub needs to be blinking, and now you can open the app and tap on the Add Accessory, choose Hub M2, confirm that light is blinking and go to the wireless mode. Choose the Bluetooth connection for the hub and choose the Wi-Fi network. Enter the password and tap Next.
Connecting. Please wait. The account is bound successfully, and you can start to use it.
Okay, and now you can set the name and set the location and tap Done, and everything is connected right. If you have any trouble with connecting your Hub M2 to the app, you need to reset it, and you can check how to do that on our channel in the other movie. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and give us a like.